Hi, I'm Jackie Craven. When the pandemic began, my sister called me from the assisted living place where she is. And because she has aphasia, I really couldn't understand much of what she said. But I believe she was talking about being in isolation. So her words, her fragmented language, became this poem. I dedicate it to my sister who is in the hospital right now. When her tongue breaks, my sister tries to say, "They put me in, I want you to know they put. Is you vacation? Put me, 1, 2, 3, one nation. I want you to know. 1, 2, station. They put me in Icelong. Do you know they put me in Salvation? Is you know they put, I saw you to know they put me in 6, 7, nation. So long they put 1, 2, 4, I want you to know they put me in isolation. They put, I want. Thank you.